Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to extract the data from the multiple rows using the Vlookup formula. As you know, the Vlookup formula have a limitation that it can extract only the unique values. You must have the unique values on the left column from where you are going to use the table array. So most of the people face hurdles while they are going to extract data of the same person from the table. Like you can see, here is a table of a salesperson with the order date, region from where they belong, their name, the representative name, their items that they sold, unit cost, and total. So if you are going to if you want to extract the data, for example, if you are going to check the data, how much total quantity is sold in the east or the central or the west, then how you are going to extract it? If you are going to use the simple VLOOKUP formula, then you can only check the one result. For example, if you're going to use the east, I'm going to use it for you. For example, you can see here is the search name, east is mentioned over here. I'm going to use a simple VLOOKUP formula, VLOOKUP lookup value. So I'm going to use this table array, comma, table array. Sorry, first of all, you need to use VLOOKUP into the lookup value. Here is the lookup value that we are going to look for. And now I'm going to select the table array, column index. So which column you're going to uh, you want to extract? For example, I'm going to extract the total value. So the region, representative, item, I'm going to extract the representative name, that is on the second column. I'm going to press 2 and then comma. Now I'm going to select the 0 or the false values that will extract the exact match. Now press enter. You will see I have just got only one name of the John. What if you want to see that all names of the person who sold in the east? So let's get started and see how you will do it. I need a separate column, that will a helper column over here. So I'm going to insert a separate column over here with the name of helper. You can use the name whatever you want. I'm just going to uh, do a little bit formatting for it. So what you need to do, watch carefully the formula that I have used over here. To make the unique IDs, I'm going to use a formula. So what will be the formula? For example, if I'm going to use this name like east, and then I am going to create this one, this will be the name of the unique, like this one, the Kewell one, Jardine one, Gill one, like sorry, East one, Central one. So what if this second East will come? If this will come, it will be like East over here, and it will be a 2. Then it will become unique IDs. East 1, East 2, East 3, Central 1, Central 2, Central 3. All of these will be unique IDs. So now I'm going to insert a formula to make this type of unique IDs, is equals to this one. Like I'm going to enter this cell name. If you're going to use the ampersand formula, ampersand, like only ampersand, and press any other values, then those values will be combined. I'm going to use an example. For example, a representative name, press enter, it will be East Johns. And if you want to insert a gap between them, then after ampersand sign you need to press the double quote. I'm going to use the underscore, again press the double quote, and this will be now you need to use again ampersand sign, as that now we're going to combine three different values. First one is C2 cell, second one is the underscore value, and the third one is D2 cell. Now you can see East John is over here. So but I'm going to enter is equals to this cell, the region cell, the name of the cell in the region, and sign of ampersand or and, double commas, underscore, again inverted commas. Now press ampersand sign to combine the other values. Now what I'm going to use, I'm going a formula that will automatically collect how many times east is going to be come in this column. For this we have to use a COUNTIF formula. COUNTIF into range. What will be the range? I'm going to check this cell in this column. So for example, if I'm going to see this east, then I have to check from this C2 to the C11, the total number. So if I'm going to check this first cell, then I have to check C2 ratio C2. I'm just going to select the C2 and then comma. What will it will return? It will return this value again. That's it. And press OK. You can see east 1, it will return the 1. A countif formula is used to return the number of times the exact values happen. So this will be happen only in one time. So all the times I'm going to use the countif function, I just want to make sure that it will start from this column, this cell C2. All the time it will start from the C2. So what I need to do, I just need to fix this first C2, so that I'm just going to press F4, that will fix this cell. Now if I'm going to drag it down like this, boom, you can see all the cells are like this is east 1, this is central 1, central 2, central 3, west 1, east 2. So all the numbers, all the regions are now allocated a unique IDs. So now this will become an easier method to extract the multiple values. Now what I'm going to do, I hope you are getting this point, that we need to insert a helper column, and pause the video, watch it again and do this step first, and then let's go to the next step. Now if you want to extract the order date, over here I want to extract the order date, over here I want to extract the region. So region, representative name, item names. Right now in this video this criteria option will not work. I'm just going to remove this criteria option, as this option will not work for you right now in this video. I'm just going to use a simple self only one column based video. For the multiple column based video, you need to see my next video. I'm going to make a next video for the multiple columns. If you have Office 365, then you can watch another video that is going to be based on the filter. I have used a filter option in that video that can only be used in 365. So if you are using the upgraded version or the 365 Microsoft 365, then you can watch that video. That is an easiest method to extract the values from the multiple columns. So to extract the values by using the Vlookup, you can also extract the values by using the Vlookup, but it will take a little bit more time. It will take a little bit more expertise as well. So in this order date column, you need to use the Vlookup formula. So one more thing that you need to do, like you have entered a helper column over here, you need to enter the number serial number column over here. Why I'm going to enter the serial number, you can see we have used a formula that will show 1 2 3 4 5 so on. So I'm going to show 1 2 3 and select all these cell, select drop down and keep it down. You can select according to your data format. For example, if you if you think that there should be 40 to 45 matches, 40 there should be 40 to 45 rows that will match, then you have to drag it to the 40 or more than 40. Normally we will going to make it for the 15 or 20 is more than enough, I think so, for this format. So let's do it. So I have selected the 20 number till 20. Now again we need to use VLOOKUP formula. So what we are going to look up, VLOOKUP into what will be the lookup value, east. So as you can see in this column, there is not only east, there is a east 1, east 2, east 3, central 1, central 2, central 3. So what you need to do now, to use this formula, press this cell and then use the ampersand sign, use the and sign that we have already used in the helper column. So press inverted commas, underscore, that is already used in the helper column, again press. Why I'm going to use this again in the VLOOKUP formula? What is the use of this in the lookup formula? To match the exact lookup value, like east, and then this lookup value, and then 1. This should be matched with the 1. Wait, we need to use ampersand formula again. We need to use ampersand over here again, and then this cell. So press comma, table array should be from here to the here. What you want to show in this column? So in this column we want to show the date will be in the second column. Select 2, again comma, and close the bracket. After selecting the false match, that will give you the exact match, and now press enter. You can see here is a, you need to select this format as a date. Go to the numbers format, home tab, numbers format, and I'm going to select here date. You can select it from the drop down menu as well. I'm going to select the short date over here. So use the format painter option and do it over here. All the cells selected, all the cells as a date format. So that now the next thing is I'm going for example, if I'm going to drag it down, you can see one error message as well. There are two different type of errors in this formula. I'm just going to drag it down to show you the errors, so that the next time it will not be happen. You can see all the cells will show in the not applicable error, any error. Why does it shown? In the first cell you can see we have used the formula N5, the cell N5, and as you can see, if you have read the references in the cells, uh, if you are going to drag it down, in the first one the N5 is selected, in the second one N6 is selected. So in N6 there is nothing, that's why it's showing the N error. So I'm going to fix the N5. Select the N5, press N6. No, you need to select it and for N5. For the first cell, select, click on the N5, press F4. Now it will fix the cell. Now the cell is fixed. If you're going to drag it down, why I'm not going to fix this one? I just fix the N5. Why I'm not going to fix the next one, like the H, this one, and this L8? Why I'm not going to fix this L8? The reason is I want to drag it down. For example, in the first column I just want to L8, in the second I need L9, in the third I need L10, and so on. It will be dragged. Let's drag it down. One more error you will be yes, you can see these error message. These error messages are due to there's nothing matched for these columns, for these cells. All the values that you want to extract are available over here until 13. So you can see there should be east, there 30, last east value will be name of the east 13th. Let's see it. You can see over here. So the last value is mentioned over here. So what if you want to remove these error messages? Just go in the first cell, select the if error message, select if ERROR, if error, and at the last press comma, double inverted commas, and then enter. That's it. Now let's drag it down so that the if error message will be copied on the all cells. This is the beauty of the Excel, that if you have entered this formula in the one cell, you can drag it down and it will be applied to all the cells. So let's check how you will extract the values in the region. Same format you can use. So I'm just going to copy this formula. I have to use a few references. I'm just going to copy this one. Okay, you can select it again in the cell bar, and then you are going to select it in the region, going to paste it. So you can see the values of the date are all pasted again. Now I'm going to just change the column name. The column name should be the region, it will be the third column. So again select it, column name. So the column name should be 3. That's it. rest of everything is matched. Okay, so again I'm going to copy this one and going to change the column name, copy and paste it over here. Just going to change the column name from 3 to 4. Now I'm going to extract the values of the same formats to the fourth. Okay, in this you need the column value of the 5, sorry 4. You need the fourth column in the items, sorry, over here you have extracted the fourth, over here you need to extract the fifth column, values from the fifth column. Select the 5, and in the unit you need the values from the seventh column, 6. In this you need the seventh, and in the total column you need the eighth column, and then press enter. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select all these cells and drag it down from here. The formula is pasted in all those cells. You can see the formula, the all values are extracted. So if I'm going to change it from east to the central, I'm going to change it to the central. Let's see how it will work. Oh, boom. You can see all the values from the central are extracted over here. So this is how you can use, this is how you can extract the values of a if you are going to extract the data of the customers, then you need to just select the customer's name over here instead of regions. For example, in the next video I will show you what if you want to select either customer name, either region, either representative name or the items name, then how will you be able to extract the whole data again. So it will take time. We're going to make a next video. So if you are able to use the filter option, you have the 365 Microsoft 365, you can watch my next video. I have already created and posted it on the YouTube channel. You can watch it from there. I will add a link in the description. If you like my video, like my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.